Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Receive the data onto our mobile phone. So that will be our first task today with the help of MQTT. So for that, here we have our Raspberry Pi. So let us provide a power supply to it. So now the Raspberry Pi is powered. Let it get connected to the Wi-Fi, and now we will access our DNC. So now we have accessed our Raspberry Pi. Now from the system, let us transfer our code to the Raspberry Pi, and first we can also check with our system itself. So within this, first we will work with our Windows, and we can see how that particular installation, everything is done. So hereby I am just taking the publish. So hereby we have opened it. And now we have a particular file which is known as import power.mqtt.client as MQTT. So this is the particular package which we have to be installed onto our device. Okay, so let it be the Windows or let it be the Raspberry Pi. For both, this is more than enough. Only this particular package we will be able to apply. So let's take this. Open CMD. Now let us see that particular pip install -MQTT. So requirement is already satisfied. It is installed in my particular system. So this will be that particular command here in order to work with this MQTT protocol inside the system. Now we have installed. Now whatever it is being happened means we have a client. Okay, so we have that particular client and we are enabling our client.connect. So to which it has to be connected means that dashboard whichever we are using. So broker.mqtt dashboard.com. In AWS we might have seen this as endpoint, then port number and the frequency. So in AWS we might have seen this as 8883. Here we are using 1883. Then client.publish. The first parameter calls for topic name. The second parameter calls for the message, whatever you want to send. Once if it is sent, the client gets disconnected. Since I have given inside the while loop, it will be sending continuously. Now let us run this program. So now it has connected. Actually the connection is going on. Now let us take our mobile and open the MQTT app. So hereby I am using that easy MQTT. And from here I am publishing the data from my system. Now the same thing I am going to subscribe. So connected, click on subscribe. So what is my topic name? It is AAA. Yeah. So I forgot to press the button for subscribe. Now we can see this is Jishnu. So that will be the particular message I am receiving from my laptop. So this is known as MQTT publish. Now in this way only here we will be sending the data. Now the same thing, here I am stopping that particular subscription, moving back to publish. So inside the publish, the same topic name I am going to provide, AAA. Messages, welcome to IoT Masterclass. I have set that particular message. So how much time it should send means here I can set that. So now I have now just given for the option for publish. We can stop this and open the subscribe part. So here also the same library. From this define on connect. So where we have to connect means all the data, the same data is only, like a broker, MQTT dashboard, then particular 1883. So where it has to be connected means from that particular subscribe known as AAA. Then on message means whatever the message it is being received, that should be displayed. Then as usual client on connect. So for that particular respective topic name it will be connected. On message, once the message is received, it will be displaying what is the name of the topic and what is the content. Then client.connect, the same broker.mqtt dashboard.com 188360 and loop forever. So continuously it will be sending the data. So now hereby I am just tapping on the publish. And here I am executing the program. Welcome to IoT Masterclass. So that will be the message it has been received from my system. Now again and again whenever I am tapping on publish, here I will be able to get the result. So this is known as MQTT in Python. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.